A train service in India that combines speed and comfort. I'm talking about Vande Bharat Express trains. But guess what? These trains have pushed the bar even higher. Recently, a brand new sleeper version of the Vande Bharat trains was launched for the first time. तो चलिए इंडिया ऑन द राइज के इस एपिसोड में जानते हैं कि इन ट्रेन्स में क्या खास है, इनका इंटीरियर कैसा है और इन ट्रेन्स का रेलवे सेक्टर पर क्या असर पड़ सकता है। The prototype of the much-anticipated Vande Bharat sleeper coach was launched at BEML's facility in Bengaluru. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav announced that the Vande Bharat sleeper train is expected to be operational for passengers within the next 3 months. Once the prototype has been thoroughly tested, production will commence with plans to roll out 2 to 3 trains every month. Now let's talk about some features of this train. वंदे भारत स्लीपर ट्रेन की बात करें तो ये ऑलरेडी चल रही वंदे भारत ट्रेन का स्लीपर वर्जन है। भारत में सबसे पहली वंदे भारत ट्रेन को मेक इन इंडिया इनिशिएटिव के तहत साल 2019 में लॉन्च किया गया था। इसे वाराणसी से दिल्ली रूट के लिए निकाला गया था। अब अगर स्लीपर वर्जन की बात करें तो ये ट्रेन सेट 160 किलोमीटर पर आवर की चलने की कैपेसिटी रखता है। The Vande Bharat sleeper version is designed for long-distance overnight journeys covering 800 to 1200 kilometers. The train will feature 16 coaches, including 11 AC 3-tier, 4 AC 2-tier, and 1 AC first-class coach, offering a total of 823 berths. Each berth is equipped with reading lights, charging sockets, a mobile magazine holder, and a snack table for a comfortable journey. The fare of these trains has not been announced yet, but the Railway Minister of India, Ashwini Vaishnav, stated that it will be a train meant for the middle class and the fares will be on par with Rajdhani Express. Indian Railways plans to deploy the Vande Bharat sleeper train on major routes, especially within the Golden Quadrilateral, including Delhi to Mumbai and Delhi to Kolkata routes, and aims to replace Shatabdi and Rajdhani trains with high-speed Vande Bharat. Final route details are pending and the train will undergo extensive testing before becoming operational, marking a significant advancement in India's rail travel.
For more of such videos, do like, share and subscribe to ET Now Swadesh.